guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit different. It has something to do with my work life. As you all know, I'm in the military and currently I am walking around with this big hole. I don't know if you guys can see it. This big, huge hole in my ABU pants. I'm looking all kinds of crazy, like a dirtbag. So this video cannot wait. I have to do this today. I'm done walking around with a big hole in my pocket. What I am going to do today, I have a uniform already ready. So the only problem I have is that I have my old name tape on this new uniform. Everything else is good to go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the name tag from my old uniform and I'm going to sew it onto my new one. That way I won't look like a dirtbag. I'll have a somewhat new uniform that doesn't have any holes in it and I can go to work looking professional and sharp as always. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my old uniform here and I'm gonna take the name tag off with a seam cutter. Okay, so now I'm taking the new uniform and I'm going to take off the old name tag so that I can attach the new one. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I got green string that matched my uniform and I put it on the bobbin already. So now I'm going to put the bobbin into place on the bottom part of the sewing machine. So now I'm going to take my thread, I'm going to leave it on the original spool and I'm going to go ahead and thread it through the sewing machine. My sewing machine is pretty standard. It has directions on how to do this, so I never forget. Now I'm going to take my uniform, place it under the needle, and line up my name tape with where I want it to be. I'm going to go ahead and put the needle in the down position, and I'm going to do a few stitches, and then I'll do a back stitch just so that it stays in place. And then from there, I'm just going around the edge of the name tape until I reach the end where I started. I've reached the end where I started, so I'm going to go ahead and do a small back stitch here again just to hold it in place. I have finished sewing on the name tape now. There's just a few stray strings that I'm going to go ahead and cut off. And there you have it. If you like this video, please subscribe down below and I will see you guys next time.